Hey friends, thanks again for joining me today. It is day 8. We're going to get moving. It's going to be a swift practice. Really excited for y'all to check it out. Meet me on your mat and we can get started. And if you don't have time to practice right now, save it to your watch later and you can enjoy it at another time. Okay, y'all, we'll start on all fours today, tabletop position. Wrists right under your shoulders, knees right below your hip points. We're going to press firmly into the tops of the feet here. And right away, inhale, drop your belly, open your chest, look forward. Big, deep, beautiful breath in. Exhale, starting at the tail, we'll round it through, tuck the chin, crown of the head towards the earth. And syncing up this motion with your lovely breath. Inhaling to drop the belly, open the chest, and exhale, round it through. A couple more times, just waking up the spine for the day. If you want to bump the hips a little left to right, or turn the gaze side to side, feel free, whatever feels good for you. Alrighty, y'all, we're going to come back to tabletop position with your next inhale, and we're going to anchor through the palms, anchor through the top of your left foot, and send these right toes up towards the sky. Now, nice and easy, we're going to make some big circles with this right knee, hug those low ribs in, and just start waking up the legs, the glutes, big wide circles. See if you can press evenly through both palms. I know it's hard. You can spread the fingertips really wide to assist in this. And keep the gaze straight down. And keep it moving. You know, the leg might be getting tired already. That's okay. Just breathe into it. And now we'll begin to reverse your circle. So just taking it the opposite way from where you started. Stay connected to that big, beautiful breath of yours. Big, deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Let it go. Couple more breaths here with the right leg. Inhale in. Exhale out. Deep breath in. And exhale to release it. Awesome work. You can readjust the palms if need be. We'll start to anchor through the top of this right foot and send the left foot up towards the sky. Big circles with this left knee, same as the right. Remember to reestablish that connection, hugging the low ribs in, drawing that navel in and up. Really going to help with stability and also help tone the core. Keep breathing deep. Lift your heart center up between your shoulder blades and really consider lifting the front body up to meet the back. So we're lifting everything up with awareness, all the way up to the sky as we take our big circles. One more big breath in. And exhale to reverse it. Taking it to the other side. Almost done with these, y'all. Big deep breath in. Nice long breath out. Big inhale. And exhale, we'll release. Awesome work. If the wrists need a little break, we can curl the toes under. We'll just walk the palms up the thighs. Also get a really great stretch through the foot. And just take one hand take the fingers to one palm, stretch out the wrists. And then the other. Big, beautiful, deep breath in. And exhale, come back onto all fours. We'll anchor through the palms, anchor through the top of this left foot, and inhale, send the right leg out long. Big deep breath in. Exhale, maybe we send these left fingertips out to counter that. Inhale in here. Exhale, knee to nose, carve everything up and in. Inhale, find length, reach it out. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, we find length. Exhale, knee to nose. Awesome work, last one. Inhale, find length. Exhale, send the right toes up towards the sky. We'll swim this left hand around, see if we can catch this right foot. Really kick into the left palm. Big deep breath in as we open through the chest. And exhale to release it. Taking it through to the other side now, anchoring through the top of the right foot. We'll inhale, send this left foot out. Big deep breath in. Exhale, maybe right fingertips come out to counter it. Inhale in here. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, find length, look forward. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale to reach. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, we reach it out. Exhale, draw it in. Last one, inhale, reach it out. Exhale, left toes up towards the sky, right fingertips swim around and kick into that right palm. Open up through the chest here, big deep breath in. And exhale to release it. Awesome work. We'll curl the toes under, lift the hips up and back, down dog. And you can pedal it out here for a breath or two. Big inhale in. And a nice long exhale out. Anchor through the palms, anchor through the left foot, and inhale, send this right leg up towards the sky. Big deep breath in. Exhale, shift it forward and step it up. We'll pivot on the back foot, lead with the left fingertips as we inhale, open it up, warrior two. Big, beautiful, deep breath in, relax the shoulders. And exhale, let something go. We'll flip this front palm, straighten the front leg as we inhale, send these right fingertips up towards the sky, reverse triangle. Big deep breath in. Exhale, leading with the right fingertips, they'll reach down towards the earth as the left fingertips reach up towards the sky. Triangle pose. Keep a gentle bend in that front knee to really protect the joints. Pressing firmly into that back edge of your foot. Big deep breath in. And a long breath out. Big inhale in here. And exhale, come back through your warrior two. We'll cartwheel the hands all the way down. Find a gentle bend in this front knee. Pivot on your back foot. Find a bend in the back knee. And step it up halfway. We'll then begin to straighten through the legs. Let your head and neck go for a breath. Pyramid posture. So give yourself some space here. Your feet don't have to be heel to heel. Just give yourself some nice breathing space and really draw back through that right hip crease. Big deep breath in. Nice long breath out. Inhale it in. Exhale, bend through this front knee. Plant the palms, step it back. We'll now plant the palms and step this right foot back as well. Belly to cobra or chaturanga to up dog. Move with your breath. Exhale takes us to downward facing dog. Awesome work. Going straight to the other side. We anchor through this right foot and inhale, lift your left leg up high. Deep breath in here. Exhale, shift it forward, step it up. pivot on the back foot. We'll lead with the right fingertips this time. Open it up, warrior two. Big, beautiful breath in here. Exhale, let the shoulders relax. Flip the front palm as we straighten the front leg, and inhale, send the left fingertips up towards the sky, reverse warrior. Deep breath in. Exhale, let your left fingertips guide the way as they come forward and down, and the right fingertips reach up. Triangle pose. Remember that gentle bend in the front knee. Big, beautiful, deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Gaze can be facing up towards the right fingertips or down towards the earth. Yogi's choice. Whatever feels best. Big, deep breath in. And exhale. Come back through your warrior two. We'll cartwheel it down from here. Pivot on that back foot. Bend this front knee, bend this back knee, and step the back foot up halfway. Draw back through the left hip crease this time and let the head and neck go. Pyramid pose, big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Big inhale in. Exhale, let something go. We'll take one more big deep breath in. Exhale, bend this front knee, send your back foot back, low lunge. Inhale and open through your chest. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Belly to cobra, chaturanga to up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Awesome work. Inhale to look forward and exhale, make your way to the top. Forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale to fold. Root to rise, leading with the fingertips. Inhale, we reach it up. And exhale, hands to heart. Awesome work. Fingertips come down to come up. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, rain it down. Plant the palms, step it back. Go for a vinyasa. Exhale, downward dog. From your down dog, take a big deep breath in. Exhale, lower the knees. We'll swing the feet to one side and come through to a seat. Awesome, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's bring the palms together with a deep breath in. Exhale, thumbs come up to your third eye point. I hope y'all have a great one. Namaste. And thank you again, y'all. It means so much to me for y'all to join in this practice. If you want to check out more videos like this, head on over to our app, Yoga Plus. I can't wait for y'all to see all the great content there.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.